In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get more views on your Behance portfolio. First, make sure your profile is fully optimized. Use a professional profile photo, write a clear and compelling bio, and add links to your website or social media. A complete profile builds trust and encourages visitors to explore your work. Next, focus on quality over quantity. Showcase only your best projects that clearly highlight your skills and creative style. A strong portfolio leaves a lasting impression and increases engagement. Engaging with the Behance community is also very important. Like projects, leave thoughtful comments, and follow other creators. This interaction helps your profile get noticed and often leads others to check out your work. Using the right tags and keywords can greatly improve discoverability. Add relevant tags so your projects appear in searches and curated galleries where potential viewers are looking. Don't rely only on Behance for traffic. Share your projects on platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter to reach a wider audience and bring external views to your portfolio. And if you're a Behance Pro member, take advantage of features like Project Boost to increase visibility and reach targeted audiences. And that's it. By applying these strategies consistently, you can grow your Behance views and get more eyes on your work. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Behance tips and creative tutorials.